Hey, it's Freeman here with the Freeman's Garage extra video for you. I just got done filming a video over on the regular Freeman's Garage channel. I got my dad's 1948 2-ton Chevy farm truck running after it sat all winter and all spring. He's gonna drive it out of this building. I'm gonna spray it off with the hose, get the layer of dust on it that collected over the winter and the spring. See it shine like a, well, I was gonna say diamond, but more like an emerald. It's green. And yeah, just enjoy on it for a little bit. This is good. This is exciting. It's nice to see him drive this truck out of that building. He had it stored in there all winter and went to start it up in the spring and it wouldn't start, and then we got it started over on Freeman's Garage, the regular Freeman's Garage. Well, just links in the video description. You can watch that video after this if you want. Let's spray this thing off, and then that way, you know, let's get it all spruced up for him. It's not a detail, it's just kind of just getting the barn dust off, you know. Let's get to it. It's gonna look good when it's all, well, it looks good the way it is, but it's gonna look even better when the dust gets rinsed off of it. We'll take a look inside too after we spray it off, in case, you know, in case you haven't seen this truck yet, or you just want to see it again. Crank it! Oh. I yelled crank it and water was supposed to come flying out of this, and it's supposed to be real, you know, look cool. Tech tip. Top to bottom. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. Oh, the nice cold water going right in the armpit feels good too. spread the taillights off for safety. Oh, maybe not the broken one. Probably shouldn't put water in there. Come on in if you want. I don't bite. Now I know when you see the Chevrolet Deluxe heater under the dashboard, you might accuse me of being too fancy, but you gotta believe me, it was standard this year, okay? Right? It was not an expensive option, right? Came standard. Dad's gonna be working in style this summer. Rubber floor mat. That could be the original. The seat looks like the original. We've been hanging out at Freeman's Garage and Freeman's Garage Extra for a while. You've seen some of this stuff before, but some of you haven't, some of you are new, and plus I've never really done too much of a deep dive. Oh, I left the vent open on the hood, didn't I? Yep, that was your air conditioning in 1948. You know, I knew better. I knew I shouldn't have done that. There's the deluxe heater. I'm really jealous of this. My current 1948 Chevy big truck that I have is a 1.5 ton. This is 2 ton with the 2-speed rear axle. And this one's in a lot better shape than mine. You can see as the water is starting to dry, it doesn't look as shiny as it did when wet, but this could use a buff. There's a lot of scratches in here. This is a truck this is a work truck. This is a working piece of equipment, but it could still use a buff. Maybe we could do that for him if he wants it buffed. You know, he deserves it. The truck deserves it. Should try to find a window for this truck too. Be nice to get that replaced. You know, if he doesn't get to it before we do, we could surprise him with it. Set the Delta highways up front, and then those are Goodyear traction sure grips. All 4 on the rear are the same, the Goodyears. Pretty sweet ride, huh? You get to look through that split front windshield. Well, it feels good to get the barn dust off. It looks good. I just wanted to do an extra video for you so that you could see that take place. You know, you don't want to miss barn dust coming off after a long winter, right? Well, hopefully Dad lets us do a whole bunch of cool stuff to this truck and drive it and enjoy it on Freeman's Garage and Freeman's Garage Extra. Sure he will. Like, comment, subscribe.